Welcome to this tutorial on how to get free diamonds in the Hakuna app in 2023. In this video, we will show you a website where you can find a mod that can generate unlimited diamonds for free. But fear not, with the help of this mode, you'll be able to generate unlimited diamonds for free. We'll take you through the process step by step, so even if you're not tech savvy, you'll be able to follow along with ease. The first thing you need to do is go to the website called AFAC as I show in this tutorial. Once you're there, you'll need to download the mode. Don't worry, the website is safe and secure, so there's no need to worry about any viruses or malware. After you've downloaded the mode, you'll need to install it on your device. We'll show you exactly how to do this, whether you're using an Android or iOS device. Once the mode is installed, you'll be able to generate unlimited diamonds for free in the Hakuna app. You'll no longer need to spend real money or waste time grinding for diamonds. So if you're ready to take your Hakuna app gameplay to the next level, be sure to follow along with this tutorial. We promise it's worth it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.